Apple cider vinegar for acid reflux. Acid reflux, also called gastroesophageal reflux, develops when the stomach contents flow back into the esophagus. Acid reflux often occurs when the lower esophageal sphincter, a ring of smooth muscle fibers that separates the esophagus from the stomach, spontaneously opens or improperly closes, which allows food and stomach acid to escape into the esophagus. A common cause is that the stomach may not have enough acid to break down and digest the food. This process irritates and inflames the esophageal wall, which finally leads to heartburn and acid reflux. Apple cider vinegar is a natural, homemade, and effective treatment that prevents heartburn and acid reflux. Also, you can try these 30 quick and effective remedies for acid reflux. It is also used to cure many health problems like heartburn, acid reflux, yeast infections, high blood pressure, and skin fungus. It can also be used as a natural skin toner, pH balancer, etc. Here, you can discover how apple cider vinegar helps to treat acid reflux naturally without any side effects. Does apple cider vinegar help acid reflux? ACV helps significantly in curing acid reflux in several ways and has numerous other benefits. Vinegar is acidic in nature, which aids digestion by helping break down the fats, thus preventing acid reflux. The acetic acid in ACV helps for better digestion by virtue of its alkaline-based digestive properties. It balances the pH level of the and stomach for the better breakdown of the food and digestion, thus preventing acid reflux. ACV is naturally high in magnesium, phosphorus, potassium, calcium, and other minerals that are help with weight loss and digestion. Drinking ACV supplies the valve with the acidity it needs to regain proper functioning. ACV, when taken regularly, will improve digestion and mineral absorption, which plays a major role in reducing acid reflux. ACV not only helps for better digestion but also provides an array of vitamins and trace minerals as well as promotes a more alkaline environment in the body, which helps to destroy harmful bacteria for food to break down and digest properly. How to use ACV for acid reflux? You can use it in any of the following ways, or simply drink a teaspoon of ACV mixed in a cup of water before meals to naturally alleviate heartburn and acid reflux along with its symptoms. Try these methods whenever you suffer heartburn and acid reflux. 1. ACV with water. Mix 2 tablespoons of ACV with 80 ounces of water, either cold or hot. Drink it either before meals or whenever heartburn strikes. You can add honey according to taste. Drink regularly to get relief from heartburn. Or, you can use this as salad dressing or add to smoothies, drinks or in cooking. Note: do not drink ACV without diluting as it irritates the esophagus and damages tooth enamel. 2. ACV with baking soda. Baking soda will help to neutralize the acid to just 7.0 or close to it when added to ACV before drinking. Otherwise, the acidity will cause dental sensitivity and eventually enamel erosion. ACV and baking soda, when mixed in water, will offer all the nutritional benefits of ACV in a less acidic form. Mix 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda and 2 tablespoons of ACV and 250 milligrams of water. You can increase the water level as per your taste. Stir well and drink it 2 to 3 times a day on empty stomach for at least 5 days to get relief from acid reflux. For severe acid reflux, mix 2 tablespoons of baking soda with 2 tablespoons of ACV in a glass of water and drink it 2 to 3 times a day. Repeat the process whenever you suffer from acid reflux. 3. ACV with honey. Honey cures acid reflux as it is high in potassium that helps to neutralize stomach acids. Mix 2 tablespoons each of apple cider vinegar and honey. Sip this to alleviate the symptoms of acid reflux. Drink this mixture whenever you suffer from heartburn or acid reflux. Apple cider vinegar with mother for acid reflux. ACV that is raw, organic, unfiltered, unheated, and unpasteurized contains the cloudy mother enzyme, which contains a high number of nutrients and is always recommended for acid reflux prevention. Make sure to drink it by diluting 2 teaspoons of ACV in 8 ounces of water. It helps to treat acid reflux very effectively. You can buy Bragg apple cider vinegar or any brand of ACV that contains mother. White vinegar for acid reflux. White distilled vinegar that is made from grain and diluted with water contains 5% acidity, which helps to break down the food and aids in better digestion, offering relief from acid reflux. Add a teaspoon to a tablespoon of white vinegar to a cup of water. Mix it well and drink it to get relief from acid reflux. Drink whenever you have heartburn. Or, mix white vinegar into juices, smoothies, salad dressings, or any other food items of your choice. Tips and precautions: you have to follow these points while using ACV to cure acid reflux without any problems. Drink ACV with a straw because it is high in acidic nature, damages the enamel. Don't forget to swish your mouth with water after drinking it. ACV may interact with some prescription medications like diuretics, laxatives, heart disease medications, diabetes drugs, etc. It also worsen an ulcer problem. Avoid ACV to treat acid reflux if you're suffering from any of these problems. Avoid caffeinated beverages that weaken the lay muscle. Avoid foods like tomatoes, citrus, peppers, etc. which irritates the esophagus. Eat small and frequent meals. Avoid drinking alcohol and quit smoking to get complete relief from heartburn and acid reflux.